Preparing heavy wall pipe ends has always been one of the most demanding operations in field machining. In this demonstration, we are introducing the mini lathe equipped with KRAIS new EV-2000 sync servo drive. Developed for controlled axis motion and precise machining performance, the EV-2000 sync brings a new level of accuracy, constant torque, responsiveness, and cutting stability to portable pipe machining applications. The process begins with facing a 12-inch NPS schedule 160 pipe. The objective is straightforward: create a perfectly prepared pipe end before welding or further fabrication. As the tool moves across the pipe face, the machine maintains a controlled and consistent feed, producing a clean surface and accurate geometry. The real challenge begins during beveling. A pipe with a schedule 160 wall contains a significant amount of material that must be removed efficiently and under full control. Throughout the operation, cutting conditions change continuously as the tool progresses through the wall thickness. This is exactly where the advantages of the EV-2000 sync become visible. Unlike pneumatic drives, whose performance depends on air supply quality, or hydraulic systems that require additional infrastructure, the servo drive continuously adjusts its output to match the actual cutting load. With a rated power of 3 kilowatts and advanced motion control, the EV-2000 sync delivers power precisely where it is needed, exactly when it is needed. The result can be seen directly in the cutting process. The machine advances smoothly through the material, maintaining stable cutting conditions and producing a long, continuous chip throughout the operation. The tool remains fully engaged, feed motion stays consistent, and the machining process progresses without the interruptions, fluctuations, or loss of control often associated with demanding heavy wall applications. For operators, this means a machine that is easier to control and more predictable in everyday use. For contractors, fabricators, and maintenance teams, it means reliable weld preparation, repeatable results, and confidence when working on critical piping systems. By combining the proven mini lathe platform with the new EV-2000 sync servo drive, KRAIS has created a compact machining solution capable of delivering precise, controlled performance, even under demanding cutting conditions. Whether in fabrication shops, power plants, chemical processing facilities, offshore installations, or pipeline construction projects, the goal remains the same: high-quality pipe preparation, completed efficiently and with complete confidence in the process.